morning, everybody. Carla here, living a rogue life. Once again, procrastinating. I'm part of a collaboration called DoughVember, and I've had over a month to get the video done, and life just keeps throwing stuff. I get distracted, not making my videos, not putting anything out there, but I'm supposed to post my video today, so I'm at work. I brought in a little oven, and I'm going to do my DoughVember video here from the office. This is a collaboration that's put on or hosted by Bloo Creates. Linda at that channel, sweetheart. Be sure you go over and check her out. I will put links down below. I'll also put a list of all the channels that are participating, and I'm sure most of them already have their videos up and ready to roll. But at the end of all of this, at the end of like December 1st, Linda over at Bloo Creates will be doing a giveaway. It won't be live, but she will be having a drawing there, and she'll be giving away dough tools. And I'm not big on baking. I'm just getting into baking, so there's just a couple things that I do. But what I'm going to do today is really easy. I'm going to make an appetizer, just because this time of year you've got people dropping in. You don't want to spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen, but you want to be able to put out something that's, you know, not your typical everyday fare, I guess, that you would say. But yeah, so let's get into that. Let me spin the camera over and we'll get started. So here is my little oven that I brought in. This has been the greatest little tool. I think I got it off QVC several years ago, but it's a toaster oven. It's a regular oven. It'll broil, it'll just warm, it'll defrost, but it also is a dehydrator, and that's what the purpose I bought it for. But today we are currently preheating it to 350 degrees for bake. So let me move you. Hold on, motion sickness. All right, I'll move you over here to my cutting board, and again, all of this is on my desk, so bear with me. We're working in a limited space. What you're going to need is sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls. You're going to need pimento cheese, and you're going to need sliced ham. So what I'm going to do now, typically you would do this in a casserole dish, and I forgot to bring one, so I'm going to be doing it in one of my oven pans on some parchment paper. So we are going to unroll the crescent roll, and we are not going to break it apart. We are going to leave it in one piece. See if I can spread this out. And we're going to pinch together all the seams. Then I'm going to take pimento cheese. I'm going to, I'll put a link to a recipe for homemade pimento cheese, because I grow pimento peppers, and that's probably one of my favorite things to do. But today I'm just using a store-bought pimento cheese. And we're going to put this on here, and we're going to spread it out to within, you want to leave, you don't want it to touch the edge, because if we touch the edge, we're not going to be able to seal the edges. Lots of ooey gooey goodness here, and that would mean that my oven is preheated. Perfect timing. Now this only takes like 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, so it's quick. If you get a surprise guest coming in, you know that they're like, hey, I'm going to head over to your house in a little bit, like, pop it in the oven. It's also great for all the football games that are going on, all of the get-togethers that are coming up. Okay, once you have your pimento cheese spread on it, and you can see I left a good border untouched there because I want to be able to seal it shut. And I went to my deli and I got some really nice sliced ham. And I am going to just put that that on there, like so, and then I'm going to roll it up. Okay, so once we get it rolled up, okay. Like I said, I'm at work, so I did have to pause and take care of some business. So we're going to roll this up. And then I'm going to pinch the ends together. And then you want to take a knife, if I have a knife, and we're going to cut it into pinwheels. Now we're going to cut them probably about an inch to an inch and a half thick. And this would work better with a serrated knife. But again, improvise, go with what you got. Let's see if I can move the camera and get you a better angle. Don't know if that's any better. Okay, once I've got that done, I am going to try to figure out how to do this. Okay, let's move the camera again. I'm going to take the pinwheels. A little space in between, just not much. They're not really going to expand a whole lot. Now, the original recipe that I got off of the Pillsbury website called for doing it not with the Hawaiian sweetbread, but to do it with the regular sheets. But I thought since it's ham and cheese that the Hawaiian sweetbread would be better. I'm going to spread them out a little more. Okay, then I'm going to take another piece of parchment paper. And I'm just going to lightly press these down. And then we are going to pop these in the oven. It's at 25 to 35 minutes. So I'm already preheated, and I'm going to put it at 26. Okay, so that didn't quite go as planned. I pulled them out of the oven, had the video rolling, showed them, ate one, gave a couple away, went to upload the video. The whole time I was waiting for the 20 minutes while they baked, the camera was rolling, filming the ceiling, and when I hit what I thought was record, I actually hit pause and filmed the rest of it on pause. So you don't get to see the outcome. I can tell you they tasted great. Gave them to the guys out in the shop. But simple, easy. Crescent roll, pimento cheese, ham, roll it up, slice it. They did turn out better. They turn out better if you put them closer together. I had spread them out a little too much on the pan, so they did kind of fall apart. But they still tasted great. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry I'm not able to show you the finished product. I hope you're able to try this yourself. Like I said, it took 25 minutes start to finish. Inexpensive to make, which is a lot these days. Enjoy. I hope everyone has a great holiday season. I will be back around with another video at a later date. Anyway, go check out the other channels listed below, and peace out.